are doing a super fun Pilates intermediate mat workout. Also, I want to remind you about my 3-week Pilates celebration challenge, and we start today, January 9th, 2023. All the details are below. Sign up and you can join us now. Today we are doing a Pilates intermediate workout, and it's going to build on a Pilates beginners workout that I have as well. So if you want to start with the beginners workout, the link is below. Otherwise, go ahead and lay down on your back. So we're going to do some similar moves to that beginners workout, but I'm going to show you the intermediate versions of them. So let's start laying down with your feet flat, feet hip distance apart. Take an inhale. Exhale, curl your tailbone, and we're gonna roll right on up into our bridge. Inhale at the top, exhale, roll down. So we'll continue here. You inhale at the bottom, exhale, tuck and curl, getting a really good warm up for the spine, waking up our glutes and our hamstrings, filling our lungs. So I love to start in this bridge position. It just kind of tells my body to prepare for a workout. It gets me grounded onto my mat and gets my spine moving and that energy going. Okay, on this one, we're gonna roll up, stay here, and then lift your right leg up, lower back down, left leg. So we're doing a little march. Your goal is to keep the hips level, so you're trying not to let one hip drop as it lifts. So this is really great for hip strength. Okay, one more each side. Nice job. Lower it down, inhale, and then exhale, roll back down. Nice job. Hands behind your head. Inhale. Exhale, roll up into a chest lift, and then roll back down. We're gonna do 2 more. So you exhale, roll up, inhale back down. Remember to keep that tailbone down. Roll up on this one, and I'm gonna have you twist to the right, and when you do, lift that right leg up, and then come to center and lower it, then twist to the left as you lift the left leg. Okay, 2 more. And you can always stay here if you want to. Otherwise, I want you now to bring both legs to tabletop. Reach the left one out when you twist to the right. And then center the other side. So you'll see we're building that abdominal and core work here into a little bit of our crisscross. 1 more each side. Nice job. Come to center. Grab the right leg, pull it in as you reach the left one out, and switch legs. Switch. Keep that chin tucked, stay up nice and high. If this is too much for you, you can do it down flat like this. Otherwise, see if you can really bring the knee in and squeeze and reach, squeeze and reach. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hug both knees in. Roll down, reach your arms, reach your legs. Inhale. Exhale, we're gonna tuck our chin and roll all the way up. First roll of the day is always the hardest one. And then restack. Okay, we're gonna roll back down. Inhale, tall. Exhale, curl your tailbone. And remember, you can take a towel roll here all the way across if you have a hard time either rolling down or coming back up. And I do have an entire video, a tutorial about how to do a Pilates roll down. All right, so you can go pause this, find that, and then come back. Okay, last one. Come all the way up, over, restack. Keep your legs together, hands behind your head. Inhale, twist to the right. Exhale, center, left, center. Nice. So continuing to lift up really high. One of the things you'll notice when we move a little bit into intermediate is that we kind of flow a little bit more from one exercise to another to keep that heart rate up a little bit more. But you can pause and stop whenever you need to. Okay? Take a break if you need to. Hands come down. Sweep your legs around. So we're gonna have hands underneath our shoulders, knees underneath your hips, round your spine, and then arch. Come back in between those two. You're gonna bring your right leg back behind you. If that feels okay, bring your left arm in front and hold it. This is called spinal balance. We're just using it to wake ourselves up now in this position. Come back down. It's a great exercise for the back body, for the arms, the legs, the core. So switch left leg, right arm. Now, if that's enough for you, you're gonna continue with that, okay? You're just gonna alternate sides. The rest of us are gonna move on to a plank if you feel ready, which means right leg steps back, curl your toes underneath. Then left leg reaches back. Elbows are slightly bent, and we're gonna do leg pull. The right leg lifts, lowers, lifts, lowers. So your option is to continue with the spinal balance, or even practice this right here with the left knee down. Okay, 3, 2, 1, switch legs. So I'm trying to get the leg up without my hips dropping or moving. Again, just bring the right knee down if you want. 3, 2, 1, nice job. Knees come down, press it back. And let's restack here. And I'm gonna turn sideways on my mat. So we're gonna do a little side kick action. So what's gonna happen is right hand comes out to the side, left hand behind your head. You're gonna come all the way down so that your right hand is on the ground in line with that right knee. Left leg reaches out straight, okay? So we're gonna do a little variation here. You're gonna lift the leg and lower. So my left leg lifts and lowers. And you're trying to press your hips forward the whole time. So this, if you've done the beginner workout and we did the side lying leg series, this is playing on that. I've just brought you up to a high knee, right? So you can see it's the same idea of lengthening, centering, disassociation, all those things we talked about in the beginner part, but we're making it into a little more dynamic position. We're involving more muscles here, more things to think about. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Keep it up. Bend. Come back up. Switch arms and come down. So take as much time as you need to set yourself up here. Reach the right leg long. Press the hips forward. We don't have to go fast. And then when you're ready and organized, you lift and lower. So a lot of stretching in the sideways. Think about creating space. Where can you find some space? In your ribs, in your vertebrae, in your nice long neck. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend. Oh, come all the way up. Hands come down. Nice job. We're gonna come down onto our right side. So we're gonna be on our elbow. I'm gonna talk you through some variations for a side plank. Right elbow goes directly under your shoulder. You don't want it out here. This will not set you up for success in this exercise. It's gonna hurt actually, so bring it directly here. Now I have a straight line from my head, ribs, hips, knees, and then I'm gonna lift my hips up. And if that still doesn't feel right, adjust your elbow. So as a physical therapist, I give this exercise a lot. It's so good for core, for hips, for low back, for shoulders, for all of it. So you can either stay here or straighten out your legs and do it right here. Either one is just fine, okay? Let's do 3 more. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Bend your knees, press yourself up, find a lovely side stretch. And then down onto your left side. So elbow underneath your shoulder. All the things to organize here. I have that straight line from the front of my body to my knees. And then you're gonna lift and lower. So you wanna feel secure, like stable in that upper body. Doesn't mean easy, but you don't wanna feel like you're gonna collapse. Okay, you push away from the elbow. And then if you can and you want to, legs straight. Nice big exhale. You got it. 2 more. Oh, nice job. Bend your knees. Those always catch up to me. Always, always. Oh, that feels good. Nice job. Let's lay down on our stomachs. So we're gonna start with our hands underneath our shoulders, okay? So you have the palms flat. Let's bring our legs hip distance apart. And then when you're ready, you're gonna inhale and lift your head and your chest. And then lower back down. So your hands can help a little bit. They're kind of there for balance, but they're supporting you. And really think about leading with that heart, like you have a flashlight on your chest and you're gonna shine it forward and back down. Okay, 1 more. And then we're gonna take this into some swimming. So what's gonna happen is you come back down, reach your arms forward, and then you're gonna lift arms, legs, head, chest. So you're floating, and then it's alternating arm and leg. So basically, I lift my right arm and my left leg, then lower, left arm, right leg, and lower. And then when you're ready, you do it faster like you're swimming, and you take a big inhale and big exhale. Big inhale. Big exhale. 1 more. Nice job. Pause. And then hands come down. Press up. Look to one side and then the other. And then with control, press back and sink into your hips. Nice job. Let's restack your spine again and bring the legs in front of you. All right, zip your legs together. You're gonna sit up nice and tall. Inhale, arms in front of you and all the way up, and then exhale around. So inhale and exhale. 2 more. Last one. And then roll forward 1 more time. Stretch, 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 and reach. And restack. And nice job. That was awesome. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you soon.